Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing on this highly anticipated release of an iPhone SE. I received this package today and I'm so excited to see what's inside. So let's open it. iPhone SE comes in black, white, and red. So what I have here, I got, let's see what we have. See, we have the white, and then the other one is in, this is in black. The one is in black. So these are the two colors. I got. I was able to get the product red, but it is expected to be delivered in May. So the red one, if you purchase the iPhone SE product red, so the red purchase now contributes directly to the Global Fund to combat COVID-19. So I think that's for a good cause. So what we have here in the box is the ear pods with lighting connector. This one, the USB, the USB cable, and then this, the power adapter. I'm not gonna do the phone specifications because it's just pretty much the same as previous iPhone that Apple released, or you can check the website for detailed specifications. It's funny because one of the reasons why I'm getting this phone, it's because of the home button. The home button is finally back. I hope you enjoy my video as much as I did. So guys, I am so excited to announce that I will be doing an iPhone SE giveaway. Yes, you heard it right. I will be giving away one iPhone SE. All you have to do is like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and in the comment section you can comment down below and tell me in this difficult time, what are you grateful for? So you could also follow me on my Instagram. I have the link down below. So I will be announcing the winner, the one lucky winner, on May 15, 2020. So don't forget to click the notification bell for my video updates. You might be the lucky winner. So thank you guys for watching. Be safe and may God bless us all. Bye.